Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Today we're gonna cook chili gizzard using chicken gizzards. So let's have a look at the ingredients. This is gonna be a dry dish. So the ingredients that I've taken is for half a kilo of chicken gizzard. So if in case you want to add another half kilo, the ingredients would increase. And make sure that you use the right ingredient here, because the taste would differ if in case you change the ingredients. So here I have taken chicken gizzards. I have sliced it into small pieces, tiny pieces. I've taken a small onion and chopped it into fine pieces. And tomato, medium size, chopped into fine pieces. Curry leaves, I've taken 5 strips because it's going to be a dry dish. And turmeric, half a teaspoon. This is kurti lal. Kurti lal is one of the chili powders. It's a different taste altogether. And this is red chili powder, half a teaspoon, and kurti lal, half a teaspoon, and salt to taste. I've taken a medium size fry pan, and I've put the flame on high, and I'm going to use 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is hot, add the curry leaves, then goes the onion. Onions are getting browner. Now at this point we'll add the tomatoes. The tomatoes are cooked. At this point of time, add the gizzard. Mix it well. Once it is mixed well, add salt to taste, the turmeric powder, the red chili powder, the kurti lal powder. Mix it well. I'm not adding any extra water to it. I'm just cooking it with the water that is extracted from the gizzard. Now at this point of time, I will close it with a lid and simmer the stove and allow it to cook till the water drains out. Now that it's cooked for 10 minutes at low flame, I'm going to open the lid. The water is drained and it has to drain a little more. So water started to drain. At this point of time, we'll increase the flame. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes till the water completely drains out. The water is completely drained now, so I'm gonna put the stove off. The spicy chicken gizzard is ready to be served. You can actually eat it with rice. You can use it as a side dish, or you can actually have it as a starter.